Today we're doing 15 minutes straight of cardio, and don't let the timeline fool you. It's gonna be plenty of cardio, but it's also gonna be something that you can definitely handle, okay? We're gonna keep everything more or less conversational pace, so we're really worried about endurance on this workout, but you're gonna feel it. Don't let me fool you, making you think it's gonna be super easy or anything like that. But this isn't a high intensity workout. This is sustained cardio focused, all right? So 15 minutes, we're gonna be doing 15 different exercises. We'll do 40 seconds of work with 20 seconds of rest per exercise. We'll ramp it up in difficulty, hit the most difficult exercises in the middle portion, and then we'll cool it back down naturally throughout the entire 15 minutes. All right, that's enough yapping from me. Go ahead and get ready to get started. All right, now we're gonna start ramping it up a little bit. There we go. Good job sticking with it. Got more to do. Shake it out. Shake it out. Try to keep that sustained breath. Don't let yourself get overwhelmed. Crushing it. Let's keep going. Woo, it feels good. Excellent. Mountain climbers will always get you right. I realized the angle was a little off on that one for you guys. We're only gonna get better. Those are harder than they look, right? It's how I am. You guys are crushing it. Let's keep going. You're absolutely crushing it. As long as you're still here, you're crushing it. Doing great. Whew. All right, we'll start bringing it down now, okay? We're gonna catch our breath with the remainder of the exercises. So start feeling good about yourself. Roll stuck. All right. Nice and easy. Catch your breath. Catch your breath. Talk to yourself if you need to. You should be at a conversational level of breath. All right, you should be able to talk. Even if you have to catch your breath a little extra, you should be able to have a conversation. That's what I mean by conversational. Nice and easy, deep breathing. Breathing out when the knee goes up. Catching it on the way down. And there you have it. That's how you burn some fat off in 15 minutes, just like that. If you're able to maintain everything throughout the entire workout, good for you. You freaking crushed it. And hey, if you're trying to get a little more out of it, go ahead, catch your breath, take a few minutes just to get some water and run through it again. No worries, it's just more goodness for you. If you like this workout, you don't want to lose it, make sure you like and subscribe, okay? I would drop workouts like this all the time on this channel. You don't want to miss the next follow along workout. Make sure you like and subscribe now so you don't forget to do that. But besides that, guys, good job again. I will see you on the next one.